Okay, this is a 3D printer. Inside, we have plastic that gets melted at 460 degrees and comes through here onto here. Here's an example of a printer printing. So what happens is that plastic gets heated up and melted. And it's printing right now at a butterfly life cycle. And it's laying one layer of plastic into it. So when I get ready to print something, I need to use a glue stick. And this is called the build platform. So I apply some glue so that my print sticks. And I want to build. And I'm going to tell it to build. So what happens is my file goes into the printer, and what it's going to do is calibrate. So it's going to bring the plate up to meet the head and make sure everything is level, so that when it prints one layer at a time, everything sticks and is level. So right now it's getting ready to calibrate. It's going to come up and touch the head, and it'll realign, and then it's going to preheat that table, the platform, and the print head, and then it's ready to go, and this is what it looks like.